So I factored my denominator, okay? That was my first step. So now, once we have that first step done, once we factored the denominator, we want to figure out what will our final answer look like, okay? So you want to figure out what will your final answer look like. That's what your step 2 is here. Okay? So our original equation had a 3x up top, right? And then we factored the bottom to be 2x plus 1 and x minus 1 in the bottom, okay? Well, when I'm done with this, what do I want it to look like? I said that I was going to split it into fractions with these two factors as in the denominator. So it should look something like 2x plus 1 on the bottom of one fraction, and then an x minus 1 on the bottom of the other fraction, right? Because in order to add these two fractions together, I'd have to make a common denominator. So whatever is down here, I'm going to times by x minus 1 on the top and bottom. And on this one, I'm going to times by 2x plus 1 on the top and the bottom, right? To get that common denominator to equal this, okay? Now, the only thing I'm not sure of here is what do I put on the tops of these fractions? Well, I don't really know. It could be a number, and we actually know it's a number, right, from what we did earlier. But because I don't know, I'm just going to put A and B. Now, these stand for numbers that I'm not sure what they are, okay? On some other problems, what goes on top can get a little bit more complicated, but we'll cover that soon, okay? For right now, all you need to know is that there will be a number on the top of both of these, okay? So, this is what our final answer should look like, right? It's some number divided by 2x plus 1, and then some number divided by x minus 1, okay?